Okay, let's try this again. Here's the shot of the movement. It's pretty clean. I've seen a whole lot worse than this. And there's the gong, obviously, and its hammer. And I'm sure that this used to have a strike advance lever on it, but it doesn't anymore. It probably fell off, or actually, I know what happened. It got broken. Now that I'm thinking about it. And I'll show you the gong from the bottom here. Hammer gets lifted by a cam on the middle gear, and it just drops off. But yeah, nice solid typical American construction. Wish they chose nails, which that's fine. It's hung together this long, so I'm not worried about it. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.